या तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊँगा या तिरंगे पे लिपटा, वापस ज़रूर आऊँगा. These lines were quoted by Captain Vikram Batra. या तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊँगा या तिरंगे पे लिपटा, वापस ज़रूर आऊँगा. These lines were quoted by Captain Vikram Batra. Very heartily good evening to one and all present here. Today I'll be talking about Captain Vikram Batra. For this topic, firstly I'll give you a very brief introduction followed by some of the background details, and finally I'll conclude by talking about the battles which was fought by Captain Vikram Batra. As we know that he was the bravest of the brave, and his slogan, "Ye Dil Mange Mon," defines the spirit of India's brave sons. He was known as Sesha by his men, and this name even the enemy have heard. He became the face of Indian soldiers at Kargil. Talking about his background, he was born on 9th September 1974 in the small town of Palampur in Himachal Pradesh. His father, Mr. Girdari Lal Batra, is a government school principal, and his mother, Mrs. Kamlakant Batra, is a school teacher. From his childhood itself, he was a very active person, and especially a very active sports person. He was a pro in table tennis and was having a green belt in karate. At the college level, he joined the Air Wing of National Cadet Corps, and in 1996, he passed the Combined Defence Service examination and cleared the SSB interview, and eventually he joined the Indian Military Academy. On 6th December 1997, he was commissioned as lieutenant in the 13th Battalion of Jammu and Kashmir Rifle. Later, in the battleground itself, he was promoted to the rank of captain. Was the Kargil War, Operation Vijay, the battle point of your 514 and the battle point of 4875. The Kargil War was the long-drawn battle, and the entire nation was waiting for the result. On July 1999 morning, the Indian national flag was firmly flattered on the Tiger Hills, and the mission Operation Vijay was successful, and the whole nation celebrated it. Later, during the wartime itself, Captain Vikram Batra was ordered to recapture the battle point of your 5140, which was occupied by some of the Pakistani invaders. He brilliantly led the operation and recaptured the battle point of your 5840. Later, after the order, he was ordered to move towards the point of battle point of your 4875, which was approximately of the height 16,000 feet, and he brilliantly with his men moved towards the point, and on 7th July 1999, he had a hand-to-hand combat battle with the Pakistani troops, and he killed 5 Pakistani soldiers, but ultimately he was targeted by the enemy's machine gun net. But because of his wide leadership, his soldiers fought with the Pakistani army and recaptured the battle point of your 4875. Now today, this point is known as the Batra point, on the name of Captain Vikram Batra. As today he is known as Shaheed Captain Vikram Batra, his bravery is honored by Paramveer Chakra, and he definitely makes the nation have made the nation proud, and all the youngsters do get the big lessons from his bravery. Thank you.